This city has taught me so much. How to be a survivor, how to fight for what you believe in. And today I believe in bringing people hope.
Lieutenant Juan Origal is a Salvation Army officer. He's assigned to serve those in need in his hometown.
And Stockton has been a place where all of my family has grown up, and we've been here, and there's a part of me in a time of I took from Stockton and society, I took away from those, that addiction got a hold of me.
Lieutenant Juan says overcoming addiction with the help of the Salvation Army and finding God put things into perspective.
Being from Stockton and coming back to Stockton and being able to play a part in the community has really opened my eyes. Everywhere I drive, everywhere I go is always looking for encampments. It's always in my mind. I'm always looking for places that people have been forgotten, and how can we help those?
So when Dignity Health offered the Salvation Army a grant to start 4 new homeless outreach programs in California, including in Stockton, Lieutenant Juan and his wife jumped at the opportunity.
This is a huge need. By talking to the district attorney and everyone else in the county, this is what was needed here in San Joaquin.
The street-level program involved outfitting a van with phones, computers, internet, and anything else a caseworker needs right out in the field to help those experiencing homelessness on the spot.
We're out there. We're out in the trenches. We're out in encampments and just learning, listening to their stories and just listening to what the need is. And we're there to share a little bit of hope with them.
They assembled a team of caring people who also have a lot in common with those they're trying to help.
I have been homeless, and not as a child, like in the last 6 years. And so it's a different attitude, different perspective, and I think it means something different to me. I mean, everybody likes to help people, but for me, I'm really giving back. It's personal.
And anything they've been through, I've probably seen just as bad, if not worse. So I think it's a lot easier to talk to people, and I don't have that anxiety or fear going into the encampments because I've been there myself, and it just helps me look at people as people.
That relatability helped the San Joaquin County street-level team get a single mom out of a tough situation.
And she had her and her daughter living in their car in the wintertime, not the school district, not the police department, not the shelter staff, mental health, nobody would, she wouldn't talk to anyone. She would just shut her car door and look the other way. But we brought her daughter some Christmas toys from the angel tree around Christmas time, and some warm blankets and coats, and just kept talking to her, and eventually she trusted us, and we were able to get her into a different transitional housing, and she's working now, and she's in a safe place, and she's actually looking to move out already into her own place. She's making good money now. And everyone, the police department, everyone was really excited that we were able to help her, because she wouldn't open up to anybody.
And for those who aren't quite ready to move into housing, the street-level team is there to provide the support that they need.
They've been great. I haven't asked for not one thing I didn't receive. It's been a blessing. It's been a blessing to have, people like you guys to come out and take the time out of your busy day to look out for us.
But they say there are just so many more they wish they could reach.
I want to save everybody. No, I want to just pull them and take them to a program and tell them to get their stuff together, but it's not that easy.
The unsheltered homeless are the hardest population to work with. They are, and for many reasons, and any successes, even just getting someone enrolled in Social Security is huge. That's going to change their whole life. Now, instead of living in a tent, maybe they can find, supportive housing or something. It's an amazing feeling.
To help the most people possible, the street-level team works with other organizations throughout San Joaquin County.
The van has been able to start conversations with other partners in the community, with the mayor's office, Gospel Rescue Mission Center, and the county supervisors, and just saying, look, we're here to assist you. What can we do?
This team is not only funded by Dignity Health, they're also supported by them too.
Dignity Health has been an amazing partner. Any resource we need, they're so compassionate, and they're so involved, and they are really, really passionate about what they do.
For the San Joaquin street level team, having support to change lives where they live and they love is unmatched.
I'm so happy for this experience and this opportunity. The people I work with are like a family.
I actually feel good getting up and going to work, I get to help people. At the end of the day, I can look back and say, well, I made a difference in their life, or I might have made a difference in this person's life.
And to be here today, like, wow, like, thank you for allowing me to serve this community. I think it's a privilege to be able to serve this community. It's a very humbling experience.
And the hard work that this team puts in and day out is appreciated.
And I thank you, all of you guys, for having a good heart, because we all got things to do in our own lives. You know, y'all got lives too. You could be doing something for yourself, but your heart brings us here, and we appreciate it.